In the January 2019 release, a new price note field has been added to invoice lines. The note appears on the invoice line details page, in the invoice line list, and when the invoice lines are exported to a spreadsheet. The price note may also be imported when loading an invoice from an Excel file or by the RESTful API. To see this, I'm going to go to Invoices under the Acquisition menu, and I'm going to choose the option of reviewing an invoice. I'll click Edit on one of the lines. I'm going to move to the Invoice Line tab, and I'll click Edit, for example, on the shipping line. And we will see here that there is a price field and a price note. I'm just going to say this is a price note. We are not being charged for shipping, as an example. I'll click Save. I'll ignore this. Now, we are able to see this price note field in the column display here on the Invoice Lines tab. As a default, it doesn't display, but I can change this by clicking on my little configuration wheel here and scrolling down here and saying I want to see the price note. Click Done. And now we can see this price note field here. We can also see, just as a little reminder, that when I modify the column display, configure it to be different to the default, we see this little green button here displaying to indicate this. I also have the option of exporting this information, and when I export these invoice line details, the price note is also going to appear as part of the export. So let's choose this as an example. And I'll click on the Excel to open this. Scroll along here, and here we can see the column that this is a price note and we are not being charged for the shipping. Thank you.